Hello friends. Welcome to my channel MZD Tech. Nowadays lots of people facing charging issue in brand new laptops. Don't worry, it's not your laptop issue. It can be a driver issue. I will solve your problem in just one click. Now let's go on laptop screen and see how to resolve issue. First of all, open Device Manager by searching from search bar. Just type Device Manager and open it. Now you can see here batteries option. Now single click on little arrow which is showing starting of batteries text. Now right click on second option which is Microsoft ACPI-Complaint control method battery, and now click on disable device. Then wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds again right click on Microsoft ACPI-Complaint control method battery and select enable device. Your issue have been resolved. Now please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.